Man called Z.
Hello everybody and welcome to Z Soda Sampling. In today's episode, well, we got Baja. Yeah, we're gonna get Baja blasted in here. Yep. I got the two new Baja flavors in bottles. I found one of them in cans, but we're just gonna do the bottles today. And of course, I have Baja, regular Baja in cans. Look at that. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, so before we get to the new flavors, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And here we go. We got Passionfruit Punch. Passionfruit Punch. It's one of the new flavors. And we've got Caribbean Splash. Right there. Yeah. So it's Caribbean Splash is guava flavored, apparently. And of course, Passionfruit Punch is passion fruit. Don't know why I had to check. Alright, we'll try the passion fruit first. Let's see how it is. Ooh. It's pretty smooth. It's pretty damn smooth. I like that. I like that a lot. It's pretty damn good. You can taste the passion fruit. It's not too super strong either. It's just nice and smooth. I like it. I like it a lot. It's good. It's pretty damn good. All right. Let's try the Caribbean Splash. It's kind of light compared to the other one. The other one seems like the passion fruit flavor is more pronounced. This one, the guava, kind of just like it's just kind of there. It's there, but it's just kind of there. It's just not like it's not as I don't know, not as pronounced. It's not as It's all right. I like the passion fruit one better. This one's all right. It's okay. Yeah, not bad. Now, of course, we have to do the original Baja now. We have to do the original Baja now. It's just a requirement. I'm sorry. It's the Baja summer. I gotta do it. I don't have a choice. I wish I had a choice. No, I don't. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Oh fuck, it's so good. I love it so much. Yeah. Alrighty. Thank y'all for watching. The Baja summer has begun. Anyway, have a good one, everybody. See you next time.